Aba? Okay, this is your
lungs. How did I?
azygous vein. And then your posterior intercostal vein. You have this
Inferior vena cava.
caval opening.
Caval opening there.
Kaning blue.
Inferior
Vena cava. Kung ang outer ganina portion, that is caval opening. Diaphragm. Then you have ascending aorta. Your aortic arc or arc of the aorta. And your descending thoracic, diba? Then you have your superior vena cava.
Upper lobe.
Superior lobe. Horizontal fissure. Oblique fissure. How can you answer? Asa may transverse? Ang oblique? Asa kita mo transverse? Kita ka sa book. Other name sa book? It's horizontal and oblique. Ha? Okay. Sige, review. Again? O, sige, again.
Diaphragm. Medial lobe. Inferior lobe. Ascending aorta. Superior vena cava. Azygous vein. Posterior intercostal vein. Posterior intercostal vein. Superior lobe.
Okay, nakakuha.
This one.
Ano ba? Asa na miss?
Descending thoracic.
This one.
Descending thoracic.
Aorta.
Perfect.
Miss, ang lobes ba? Superior, medial, inferior?